Muy buenos días, chicos. Bienvenidos. If you have Señora Rim or me for class, you may refer to page 182 en el cuaderno, 182. For other teachers, refer to this document, and later on, refer to the Google Doc that they have shared with you, which is the same as you're seeing right here. This is a review of clothing and numbers, an introduction of the verb costar, which means to cost. The verb costar is a stem-changing verb, also known as a boot verb. This is not a new concept to any of you. Since the start of the school year in your classroom, you've been using the verb poder, which means to be able to. For example, puedo ir a los servicios, o puedo ir al baño. May I go to the bathroom? This has a stem change of O to UE inside of it. Very similar to the verb costar. The only difference is costar is an AR verb and poder is an ER verb. The nice thing about the verb costar is you really only need to learn two forms of the conjugation. Cuesta y cuestan. Why? Because we don't generally go around saying I cost, we cost. How much do you cost? We talk about items costing. Por ejemplo, la camisa cuesta. Los zapatos cuestan. If you look at the boot, we see that inside we have cuesta y cuestan. Third person singular and plural. So to make it simple, just memorize these two forms of the verb. Vamos ahora a la parte G. Vamos de compras, que significa let's go shopping. In this activity, you're going to look at the tienda below, the small store, which has various articles of clothing and the price tags attached. You need to write full, complete sentences telling us how much each item cost in euros. Euros is the monetary unit of Spain and many other countries in the European community. That's the symbol that you see behind the number. Okay. Por ejemplo, si nos fijamos en la mesa, vemos los zapatos. ¿Y cuánto cuestan los zapatos? Pues el modelo dice que los zapatos cuestan 74 euros. The shoes cost 74 euros. We're using the verb cuestan in this sample because zapatos are in the plural form. But imagine if you were buying just one shoe. I'm not sure why you would, but imagine you were. You would say, el zapato cuesta. It would then be cuesta and not cuestan because one shoe is singular. Let's go through and pronounce the nouns, and I will also give you the verb that you'll be using, which form, either cuesta or cuestan. Por favor, conmigo. Repeat after me. Clase. La blusa cuesta. El vestido cuesta. Los vaqueros cuestan. The word vaqueros is used in Spain for jeans. Okay. 4. La camisa cuesta. La chaqueta cuesta. Los pantalones cortos cuestan. La camiseta cuesta. Las corbatas cuestan. Please write full, complete sentences. Write the number out in full in Spanish. Always end with the word euros and a period. You will then be able to check your answers on the answer key in the assignments that we post online. If you have questions about numbers or need review, If you have Senora Rim or me, refer back to page 156, 156. For other teachers, refer to the notes that they have given you. Muy buena suerte, chicos, y hasta luego.